Hello everyone, welcome back to another powerful Forex education video. So we got a question from one of our subscribers asking why do we dwell much on DXY when analyzing currency pairs? So I'm gonna answer this question in or at the end of the video. So make sure that you watch the whole of this video. But before I start, the people who haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you do so that you won't miss anything we'll be uploading, and also turn on the notification bell. Before we start with a US dollar index, we must first need to know what US dollar index is. So a US dollar index, it is the measure of the US dollar strength against a basket of currencies. So those currencies, they include euro, pound, a yen, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and also the Swedish krona. So these are some of the currency pairs correlating to DXY, or should I say all of the currency pairs correlating to DXY. So if you can look here, guys, we have in the first batch we have the pairs that are ending with USD, and this side we're having pairs that starting with USD JPY. So the first currency of a currency pair, guys, it is called the base currency. The last currency of a currency pair, it is called the quote currency. So meaning when we're looking at this currency pairs, but before that, gold, guys, is not a currency pair, but it is one of those pairs that are correlating with DXY. It's a commodity, actually, gold, but it's one of them. It's one of those pairs correlating to DXY. So if, guys, we can check here, gold, not gold, I mean correlation with regard to all of these pairs, it's negative or positive. If you are looking at this pairs ending with USD, the correlation is negative. What do I mean by that? I mean that if Euro USD or one of these pairs are going up, it implies that DXY is going down, since they are correlating negatively. So if we are looking at this pairs, guys, one of them or all of them, if they are going up, it also means that DXY is going up. So that's not always the case. Sometimes when you are opening sometimes when you are opening a trade and you see that DXY is going up, let's say now you are opening USD CAD and then it shows you that USD is going down. Make sure that when you trade, do not rely only on DXY. Make sure that you trade what you see, not what you think DXY will do. If DXY you see that it's going up and then USD CAD is going down, it necessarily means that the strong, the strength of Canadian dollar, it might be better or bigger than that one of a USD CAD. So do not necessarily use DXY always when you are trying to correlate these things. Here it's a typical example of a DXY and Euro USD on daily time frame. These two pairs, they move almost 100% the same, but there's no such thing as 100% the same, guys. I know. Let's look at what is happening right now. Now we have a double bottom on DXY right now, and then here we're having something like a double top right there. But we cannot call this thing a 100% correlation, since there's no such thing in the market, but they're almost the same. Let me show you what happened here. If you can try to look at here, we're having something like a structure here, guys. Look what happened here, and then we're having a 90% rule. Sorry for that. Let me try to wrap this thing, try to do it like nicely. If you can look at here, guys, we're having a 90% rule. We're expecting the market to come and reach this 90% rule. We had first touch here, we had second touch. Now we're approaching a third, we had third touch there. Then what we're waiting for right now is for the market to come and reach a 90% rule of this structure. So this happened the same with Euro USD right here. If you can look at here, guys, this was our first touch, this one was our second, this one it was our third touch. We're anticipating the market to come and reach 90% rule of the structure right here. This, guys, I think it's a proof that DXY and Euro USD, they've been moving the same here. Look at this, look at our time frame. Our time frame here is daily time frame, but we got almost I mean everything is almost the same with regarding to these two pairs, guys. Yeah, I think USD is the one where I can always use it to correlate these two pairs rather than others. This one's the reason why I prefer this one is because of like they look almost the same, guys, without even explaining much about them. By just looking at them, you can tell that these two pairs are moving the same. So, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. Yeah, I hope for the people who haven't subscribed, they will subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us to grow this channel. So, guys, yeah, I will see you in the next video. Cheers.